Hello and welcome to another update video about FETCH.AI. FET is currently following the overall forecast and has reacted to the support zone. It is possible now that wave one of a larger third wave is unfolding. We only talked about it yesterday. Could eventually take us into the $2 region, and it's one of the setups we talked about in our member live stream on Sunday, where I specifically highlighted how this could be traded. So far, it would have created a profitable trade. The support area has been reached. Not only that, there was even an internal target area between $1.28 and $1.36, and I'm labeling this as an ABC structure. And it is possible that this C wave of wave 2 bottomed. Okay, and then we have started now the third wave, and wave 1 of 3 should be a 5-wave pattern. That's the idea. Once we have the next 5-wave move, I will add the support zone for wave 2. Okay, because this could be a 1-2 setup. The next 1-2 setup, if anybody missed this 1-2 setup, the next one could form obviously as part of this unfolding larger third wave. Okay, and there are a couple of targets to watch. The first one is $1.42. This is not only structural resistance, but also the 38.2 extension of the initial 1-2 setup, and could be the first target where wave 1 of 3 forms a top, but it's likely to push a little bit higher based on the microstructure. So somewhere between $1.42 and $1.55, these are just two key fib levels. Okay, more important than that, they are just two levels to watch. More important than that is obviously that the price indeed forms a 5-wave move. At the moment, I can only see 3 waves up. But yeah, if it gives us 5 waves, we can add the next support range to the chart. And as I said, it was one of these setups. There were not many good setups in the last few days. I mean, it was Rune, which has reacted nicely as well. Sui, which hasn't come back into support actually. Well, not the second setup I had. The first one worked nicely. And then yeah, Bitcoin. But Bitcoin also just gave us a shallow pullback, just dipped into support and took off today. FET gave us a nice opportunity, to look for an entry there in the support range, which is defined between $1.26 and $1.08. Zooming out a little bit further, looking further ahead, we now need to see if all 5 waves can form in wave 3 to around about $2. If that's the case, but that's far out, first we need to get these 5 waves. If we can get there, I will add the next support for wave 4, but we're far away from that. There is also some structural resistance on this chart, the $1.54 level, which is pretty much where that 61.8 extension is located. And above that level, there's another structural resistance level, which we can see if we zoom out a little bit further. But I have to go to the left here. So we have, this $1.54, $1.55, and then $1.86, $1.87 should also act as structural resistance. So looking good for FET, but bear in mind it's just a mess to the upside, so we have to be ready for surprises. But that's so far my idea. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter for additional content. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye bye.